I've been seeing it. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5.
This is my chair. That's
okay, but you sit right there, bro. Move that chair. Switch that chair, bro. Come on. Y'all know what the fuck going on, bro. Y'all playing games and shit, bro. What the fuck?
Ain't nobody playing games. I put the chair right here.
Is this y'all's like first shoe drop or some shit? Like
this not even my first shoe drop, bro. I'm right here,
bro. We got here. There was like 12 chairs and 2 people, bro. What the fuck? We've been here. We've been here.
Let's chill out. Let's chill out.
Bro, come on, y'all been holding chair. Y'all been holding spots since fucking 12, bro. We've been here.
Y'all like the way y'all came at everybody. Y'all came.
Yo! What's up, you guys? It's your boy Zay. Today's video, man, I got some heat for y'all, bro. I waited in line for 11 hours for this pair of SBs, so I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure y'all hit that like button, man. These people is finna fight over some shoes, bro. Before we do that though, let me take all this stuff off real quick. So look, I'm gonna give y'all a quick detailed review of the NIKESB Lance Mountains that I picked up today. So I was camping out, my fault. I was camping out around like 2 in the morning. Then my cameraman slash AKA driver, he pulled up on me around like 5 o'clock in the morning. So we was pretty much just sitting out all night. The store didn't open until 12. If you don't know, pick this up from RSVP. You don't know where that's at? That's actually on 1753 North Damon. So here go the receipt for all you guys that's trolling in the back. I'm not gonna lie, man.
Big shout outs to RSVP.
RSVP, man. Big shout out. So look, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button before I review these shoes for y'all, man. Hit that subscribe button. First thing I'm gonna show y'all, of course, I'm gonna show y'all the box. It comes in this NIKESB paper that actually came with these. So they got the same paper that came with these, man. Then you got your quality control sticker right there. Then you also got this little stamp right here. Show y'all the tag. So we have a NIKESB Air Jordan 1 Low QS, meaning quick strike. And the colorway is Desert or Royal Blue. I'm pretty sure they missed the red, but they always do that. So one thing is that this shoe actually drops on December 9th, which is a Monday, for a retail of $120. I was able to get this 3 days early from RSVP. So I think RSVP is like a little skate shop, so that's why I think they were able to get this earlier than everybody else. So now I'm finna just give y'all the full detail review of these SBs. I have the Air Jordan 1 Low, aka Lance Mountain NIKESB collab. So starting off with the left pair, you see we have there's 2 shoelaces. You see you have the Carolina right here, and then you have this black shoelace. You see with NIKESB branding on both of them. Then it already comes laced with the white shoelace. So this shoe comes in like a khaki looking colorway, but once you like start to peel some of this stuff off, it turns this color turns into this dark blue, black type of color. I'll put the picture on the screen somewhere where you guys can see. And then right here you see you have the NIKESB done in that deep royal colorway. Background done in black. And you also have you do have the logo under here, but once again you have to peel it off. Same with the swoosh, you will have to peel it off. I think this will actually be the deep royal, as you can see the background right there. And then right here you have the black, as you can see right down the stitches. Show you guys the soles. See Nike. Soles done in that deep royal. I'm gonna show you guys the soles after I do the other pair. Starting off with the soles, you see we have that Carolina blue colorway. Got that Nike right there. Then this, same with the other pair. This reviews a different colorway. It reveals a white and Carolina blue. As you can see, some of the stitching. That's why it really came with the white shoelaces already, because this pair will reveal that white and Carolina blue. And then you got that white background, and then NIKESB branding done in Carolina blue. Starting with your shoe trees, this is a size 10, so it should be a size 10 to a size 10.5. You see you have your Jumpman right there. Then you see you have your little indent right there. Nothing on the back. Cool thing. Lance Mountain was known for wearing khakis while skateboarding. And of course he's always wearing mixed Max Jordans. Hence that one is the deep royal, then one is the Carolina colorway. Branding. Then you see you have this little design on the inside. You see green, red, and white. Then on the other one, it's a little bit different. NIKESB branding. It's just a straight line down the middle with red and blue. Show you guys the size tag. You see the QR code right there. The model number is CJ7891-200. You see the production dates. And again, this is a size 10, and UK is a size 9. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the NIKESB collab with Lance Mountain. To me, I believe that it should have did the other colorways on top instead of doing this little khaki colorway, because that throws the whole thing off. But hey, I might just, peel it off just to reveal it, just to see what it looks like. Then I might throw both of these laces on, or I might keep one of the white ones on. So with that being said, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button, as we're on our way. The new goal is 500 subscribers. We're trying to hit that 500 subscriber mark. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys comment what you think about these. Let me know. Should I reveal the colorway? If y'all want me to reveal the colorway, all you gotta do is hit the like button.